Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. My name's Gav from the channel Hiking for Health, and today I've just got back off a walk and I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a video of the gear I use when I go walking and wild camping to film the adventure. And if it's of help to anybody, then brilliant. So here it all is. I'll start with the drone. The drone is the DJI Mavic Mini 1. I've had it for about 2 years. It's getting on a bit, but I bought it second hand off a really good friend who looks after his gear, and it was too tempting not to buy. When I was after a drone, I wanted something that I could experiment with, that I wouldn't worry too much about, and this has been perfect. It's added a different dimension to my videos, and it's great fun to use when you're out there hiking or camping. Next, I'll talk about my cameras. Now, I'm currently filming on the iPhone 15 Pro, but I also use, for my action cam, the Insta 360 Ace Pro 2. I've had this about 6 months now, and I'm still getting to grips with it, but it's been fantastic. It's lightweight, it's quick and easy to use, and also there isn't the worry with breaking it, damaging it like I used to have when I was using my iPhone all the time with a DJI gimbal. I still use my iPhone. I use an iPhone 15 Pro. That does 4K, and I use it to supplement the filming with the action camera. The microphones I use are the Insta 360 Mic Air, which I've had for the same time that I've had my action camera, and also the BOYA V30, which comes with one receiver and 2 transmitters, which I'm using at the moment, which is just here and attached to my iPhone. Both of these microphones have their positives, but they also have negatives too. The positive with the Mic Air, it works well with the action camera, but it has its limitations. It works through Bluetooth, and if I'm using it with the action camera, you can only have a certain distance before the signal starts cutting out. Whereas with the BOYA, you can walk further on and that connection will still be quite strong. So I've got 2 choices there as to what I use in different circumstances. For the tripods and selfie sticks, I've got a range of these. I've got 3 Ulanzi tripods in different sizes. I've got the MT44, the MT73 and the MT88. All of different weights, different sizes. I can use them for a range of different times. Also, I have 2 Insta 360 selfie sticks and tripods. I've got the Mini 2-in-1 tripod, which I'm actually using at the moment with my iPhone, and the invisible selfie stick, which I use all the time, connected to my action cam. Now, I don't actually use the invisible aspect of the selfie stick, as I haven't got to grips yet with the software, but it's not something I think I'll use at the moment, but it's there if I need to. To hold my selfie stick in place when I'm walking, I invested in the magnetic selfie stick holder. This is great. It attaches to the shoulder strap of my bag, and basically it's tight in there magnetically, and if I want it, I can just twist and out it pops, and then I can be filming whatever it is I need to film. I do have another version, which is this. This is more of a clip-in tripod, but still worthwhile having. That was what I got first, and then I replaced it with a magnetic one. Onto the power banks. I've got 2 power banks. I've got a 10,000 milliamp and a 20,000 milliamp. The 10,000 milliamp is the Zero power bank from Flextail. It's been absolutely brilliant. The Flextail is so light, it's about 145 grams, and it's easy to just pack in your bag, weighs nothing, and it comes with its own charging cable. I'd recommend that for sure. And the Anker is the Powercore 20,000 milliamp. So 30,000 milliamps there between the 2 if I need it. So I think that's pretty much it. It's only intended to be a short video, but a couple of things I might have missed is the DJI comes with 3 batteries. This, I think it was the Fly More combo or something. And this is great because you've got 3 batteries and the drone uses battery power quite quickly. Another thing is the BOYA microphone I bought. You might notice I've got the muff on the top here of the microphone. It comes with one of these foam mufflers, but these weren't any good. So I decided to buy, I got a set in like a whitey black and this color, the black color. and they've been brilliant. I use the BOYA without turning on the noise reduction feature, and just with the muffler, it's brilliant. It cuts out wind noise a treat, as does the Insta 360. I haven't had much of an issue with any wind noise using this. The actual microphone pops out of its case, and the microphone is just this tiny circle, and it comes with a little clip, and this is a little ring with the muff attached to it, and you just pop the mic in and off you go. So I think that covers about everything. I'm always looking at gear. I'm always looking to see how I can improve my kit and make things easier, which is all a part of the fun. But I hope it's helped somebody. I enjoy using this kit. It's great for what I need to do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on a future video.